Hello guys and welcome to a special episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys we are here at MegaCon Orlando. So do you want to see MegaCon Orlando? Let's find out. Hello guys, ito yung pila papasok ng MegaCon Orlando. Ayan, so nakapasok na tayo and makikita nyo. Ayan, so ito siya. Ayan. So MegaCon Orlando. So ito yung entrance. Papasok tayo sa loob. So napakalaki nito. So tignan natin. Ang haba ng pila sa labas pagpasok. Pero once na makapasok ka sa loob, so medyo ano na. So ito Thrill Joy. Ayan, so tignan natin. So may mga toys dito, mga toys exclusive, merong mga comics, Artist Alley. So ano kaya ang binibenta nila dito? At ang haba ng pila. Kung makikita nyo, para rin siyang San Diego Comic Con na malaki. Ito ang daming tinitindang mga boxes. So ito yung part na puro toys Yan, Ultra Sabers, ayan. Ito mga tindahan. Ito bricks and minifigs, puro Lego. Ito M-Rage. Ang ganda Parang hype na Ganda mga jacket. Kano kaya ito mahal siguro? Ito mga statues. Ito mga mystery boxes. Ayan. Ito, parang comics na to. Reese Rare Comics. So, tignan natin. Ayan, so merong mga Golden Age. Ayan, Copper. Ito, Dale Roberts Comics. Eddie Deason. Sa Grease. Wow, kilala ko to. Autographs at $50. Ito, mga covers, original art. Ganda, Ayun yung kay Clayton Crane. Try natin makakuha nung number para makapagpapirma tayo kay Clayton Crane. Ronin Club, Masaki Sato, Genki, Sunao, San Saito. Galing. Galing nila, Ayun na si Clayton Crane. May pirma na. So here guys, so Clayton is doing a remark on the Ghost Rider. As you all know, Ghost Rider was one of his best, if not his best work. And he was known for it, and he's doing now a remark for a Ghost Rider comic. And as you can see, there's a big screen here. And this will stay in the Philippines, and it will be a national treasure of the Philippines. Hello guys, so we are here at the Artist Alley. Makikita nyo. So Ractalin, ayan. Ayan siya. Pagawa kaya tayo. Ang ganda. Wow. Ayan guys, ito si Ka-Ari Andrews. So medyo mahaba yung pila niya. So tignan pa natin yung mga iba. So yung mga Artist Alley. Tyler Kirkham, Marat Michaels.
There to go to the wall to find the door, and I saw you there.
Sean Foyne. Ryan Kincaid.
Did you buy him to sign in? Yeah.
Mike Crome. Mike DeFalco. Marisa Pope. Greg Land. Yan. Ayan guys. So next, ayan. Sam De La Rosa. Scott Hanna. So guys, we are here at booth of Onry. He's selling the War Lion comic book. And what's nice about this one is that the cover and the interior pages were made by Sir Dexter Wee, who is a cover artist and an illustrator from the Philippines. So congratulations, Sir Dexter, and congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Dexter has been such a pleasure to work with. He is a fantastic collaborator, and he has helped me build a huge body of work, and he's helping us complete Issun Shin, which is a 17-year project. And it is such an honor to bring him on board to help us finish it. He's done a fantastic job with the second to last issue, and we look forward to bringing you the final issue.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
So here we are guys, ito si Christopher Uminga, saka yung wife na si Chrissy Zulu Uminga. Favorite ano ko to eh. Tuwan-tuwa ako sa mga covers nito and favorite, and tignan natin if we can get an original cover from her. Ayan guys, so dito tayo sa Hot Flips. So they're selling the different art portfolio. Ayan. So syempre ang pinakamaganda dito to 13 by 19 para kasya lahat. So $40 each. Mura na, 2,000 pesos. Bili tayo. Anthony Marquez. Yan, may mga original artwork. And there's Ji Young Lee. Zolake, E.M. Gist, Simon Beasley. Yan, dami. Ayun guys, so si E.M. Gist. Gumagawa siya ng sa Magic the Gathering, Spider-Man. So we are at the booth of Inyukli here at MegaCon, and he's doing a remark of Spider-Gwen. And guys, nandito pa rin tayo sa Scotts. So yan, Joe Kelly, Di Bermejo. Haba ng pila nyo. So Dan Mora, mahaba rin ang pila. Dan Mora. Yan, so siya si Dan Mora. Search ako niya. Kath Lobo, Stephen Platt, Alexander Lozano, JTC, John Tyler Christopher. Yan, yung mga negatives. Yan siya. And Joe Quesada. So hello guys, nandito tayo sa sa Big Time Collectibles. Ayan. So nandito yung may-ari. Hello sir. Ayan. So ito yung mga kinuha natin guys. So, kasi puro syempre support Filipino artists. So ayan, kay Freely, kay Sir Miko. Ayan, tapos meron silang mga drop na magaganda. Ito grabe guys. So tingnan niyo po. Surprise drop sa New York Comic Con yan. Limited to 50 pieces. Yan yung Lakers tapos Bulls Jordan Kobe. Papasahin natin mamaya kay Sir Miko. Ayan. Hello guys, so ayan. Nandito tayo sa MegaCon. Exclusive signing ni Miko Swayam. Ayan, fellow Filipino. Saludo.